Welcome everyone. In this video, I am presenting the Edushala project, that is a one-stop AI-enabled adaptive educational platform for everyone. This is a GitHub repository of our project consisting of installation guide and website preview along with the live deployed link. I'll tell the procedure to set up this project in your local system in the end of this video. So this is our website and it is a bilingual website for the accessibility to different audience, and it is available in Hindi as well. So we just need to select the Hindi version from the footer and the whole web page will be converted into Hindi. We have also made this website responsive for mobile and iPad screens along with the desktop preview. The motto of this website is to cater all types of students, including the casual users or physically disabled students and neurodivergent students. We have included the sections of special education for disabled and neurodivergent students along with adaptive learning for everyone. Now let's deep dive into the features of this website. Just to give a professional view, we have added the features in the navbar for the desktop view, including core features, AI-enabled features, adaptive learning platform, special education, gamified learning, accessibility and shortcuts, and installation guide. Let's get started by signing up. I have already signed up, so I am logging in. If I try to access my profile without login, then it will redirect to the login page. So now let's see the first feature of our website, that is learning management system. The logged in users can see all the available courses uploaded by the admin or teacher, and the teacher can upload their course based on their specific profile. Same with the digital library section of our website, in which the admins can upload their respective books, which can be downloaded by the users. Along with that, we have provided a custom dataset. Now, let's log in as admin to perform the CRUD operations on courses or books. So we can select the type of user during sign up, either as normal user or admin. So as you can see, the basic CRUD operations regarding a course can be done by admin's profile. The admin can add respective course having different modules in it, and inside which there are several lectures and a section to add the specific link to the particular video so that the user can see it in this website. Similarly, the admin can perform CRUD operations on a book, and the name of admin will be displayed in the respective course or book. That is, this particular admin has uploaded this content. So now let's see the gamified learning platform, in which we have added several games to make the learning fun for a user. Along with that, we are storing this particular data set of the games and the scores and the time taken by the user to complete a specific game, having a specific level, easy, medium, or hard, to the database so that we can track the progress of a user regarding that particular game, which reflects the mental ability of a user to solve problems strategically. I have fast forwarded the section for quick overview. So the gamified learning platform consists basic games including bingo, sudoku, memory match game, voice match game, color match game, etc. So this will help a user strengthen their mental intelligence. So now let's see our first AI feature of the website, that is AI doubt solver. Students can ask their doubts regarding some common subjects in this website using this chatbot, which is trained on our custom dataset. It is also multilingual and voice enabled. Student can type in whatever language they want and the answer will be displayed in that particular language. So now let's see the second AI enabled feature of our website, that is digital attendance system. So in this attendance system, a user first needs to register his or herself in the website, and the data will be stored in an Excel sheet having username, row number, and class. Then the user needs to click some images. It will click 50 images and store in the database. Then the user needs to train the model so that the artificial intelligence model based on support vector machine classifier can be trained. It can be seen in the backend as well. So once the training is complete, the user can use this feature in order to mark their attendance based on face recognition. So the one-time registration for a particular user is done. Now let's see the facial recognition feature. As you can see, my face is correctly recognized with the confidence prediction percentage, and the model is 95% sure that I am Amaan Naseh. And once I click the attendance button, it will mark the attendance and save that data in an Excel sheet having my name, row number, class, and the timestamp. And we can view that particular attendance data in the website, and the attendance will be marked only once for a particular user in a particular timestamp. We have also added the features of live classes in our website, in which we are listing out some of the common live streaming platforms. Now let's see another AI-enabled feature of our website, that is exam preparation assistant. In this feature, users can add the data in various different kinds of formats, and the AI MCQ generator will generate some questions regarding that particular data, and the user can solve them. And we have also added the score analysis and CGPA analysis feature in our website, in which students can analyze their score the individual percentage is also reflected in the right side along with the total percentage. And similarly, that's for CGPA calculator as well. Student can add the credit score and the marks he or she has obtained, and it will convert it to grade point and calculate the CGPA based on a common formula. Now let's see another AI enabled feature of our website, that is sign language prediction. So starting from the numerical sign language, the users can mimic the symbol displayed on screen to proceed to the next symbol. For example, it is displayed 0 in the website, and as soon as I display the correct symbol on screen, the image will be changed to the next symbol. And similarly, the users can learn for all the respective symbols and alphabets of the English language through this AI enabled feature of our website. And this will be happening in a loop so that a user can continuously learn it, and they can practice it again and again until they are perfect in it. Same applies for alphabetical sign language as well. We have used MediaPipe to mark the landmarks of hand, and we have used random forest classifier to train the machine learning algorithm. The accuracy of these AI models can be viewed in the About section of our website. So now let's see the adaptive learning platform of our website, in which we are offering personalized dashboards to track users' performance. For example, I am playing a Sudoku easy level, and I am also playing a memory match game. And we have also provided quiz section on common subjects including English, science and maths to check users' intelligence, and based on users' intelligence we are providing personalized time management to a specific user based on his or her strengths and weaknesses. For example, I am marking out random options just to display the feature. We've also added quiz score analyzer using artificial intelligence, basically random forest classifier, in which users can enter their marks and get suggestions regarding their strengths and weaknesses. And we have added a personalized dashboard in which users' performance can be seen regarding that particular subject or particular game. Also, we have added a time management system in which user can enter the total hours studied in a day and get suggestions regarding time management based on latest quiz score and ML quiz analyzers output regarding average weak and strong subjects. So now let's see some of the accessibility features of our website, which is particularly built for neurodivergent students and physically disabled students, which includes smart cursor navigation including voice and keyboard based cursor, screen magnifier and screen reader. User can use keyboard buttons or navbar in mobile phones.
Keyboard cursor activated.
As soon as I click respective button in my keyboard, it activates respective feature.
Stop keyboard cursor. Voice cursor activated. Start speaking.
And also speaks out the feature
Stop
activated.
voice cursor. Magnifier activated.
Screen magnifier is specifically helpful for neurodivergent students who cannot see two words clearly and confuse with their meaning.
Magnifier stopped. Screen reader activated. Edushala. Features. Shortcuts. Brochure. About. Profile. Learn anything, anytime, anywhere. Access high-quality courses from expert instructors and join a community of lifelong learners. Get started. Stopped. Screen reader activated. Stopped.
So these features can be accessible in mobile phones as well. Screen reader is specifically helpful for blind students. They can simply click space to activate it with shift, and these buttons can be easily accessible in the laptops without even seeing them.
Press enter twice and start speaking, and again twice for stopping. Then listen type statement by tapping plus button twice.
Voice to text and smart cursor navigation is specifically helpful for either blind students or persons with locomotive disabilities in hands or arms.
Stop listening.
As I said here during recording this video, so it typed that particular thing in the website. So now let's see one of the most innovative feature of our website, that is digital orbit writer. Basically, an orbit writer is a physical device which makes a blind person type something based on button click. So we have mapped the numpad keys for the same.
Hit star or asterisk 3 times for instruction and 3 times again for cancelling. Instructions: press keys 1 to 26 for alphabets in sequence, 1 and 2 digit numbers only, hit enter to confirm, hit space for space, dot to delete the last number in the pattern, and plus to remove the last letter entered. Press any number to start writing and hyphen or minus 3 times when completed to listen the final statement.
For example, to type A, I need to click 1, then hit enter,
1,
and it will
A,
say 1 or A in
space,
background. Then I can click space to give a space and click
2,
2 to write
B.
B. Similarly, I can write
Space.
2-digit number pertaining to that particular alphabet of English language. For example, 1 for A, 2 for B.
J.
Similarly, 26 for
0.
Z. And I can click minus button 3 times to listen
Remove
whatever is
J.
written on screen. And
Removed
I can
space.
click plus button or dot button
Space.
to delete respective alphabet
Removed
or number.
space.
For example, if I need to type J, that is
5.
10th letter of English alphabet,
Removed
I need to
5.
click 1 and 0. If I
Removed 1.
mistyped a 0 with something else, then I can click dot button to
AB.
delete that number, and I can click plus button to
Stopped.
delete that alphabet.
AB.
As you have listened,
Stopped.
it is saying A and B. That is the current written statement based on clicking the minus button. So that's it about all the core features, AI-enabled features, adaptive learning platform, special education, and accessibility of the website. So now let's see the brochure of a website, which displays the information regarding particular feature of a website in a PDF. The user can download it and read out about specific feature. So now let's see the about section, in which we have added information about the developers along with the accuracy and confusion matrices of ML algorithms and models used here. And we've also cited references of particular asset used in the website by displaying it in attributions page. We've also added stay connected section in the footer through which users can uh, talk with us and send their queries. And as you can see, it is specifically displayed in the mail. So now let's see the offline installation of this website or application in respective laptop or mobile interfaces so that a user can access it without internet. The CRUD operations and the data regarding internet will require internet, but the other operations can be performed using it offline. So as you can see, the installation is really like a normal mobile app, and I have turned off the internet and the website is still running fine. For example, I'm playing a game in the offline mode and it is working absolutely fine. So it will help the students living in remote areas to access education offline. Now let's see the setup of this project in your local system using the GitHub repository link added in footer. So this is a GitHub repository from which we have started this video, and now let's see the installation. You can either download zip of this code or copy the clone command. Before that, you make sure that you have installed git, VS Code, Node.js, and Python, specifically Python 3.11.6 version in your system. After that, clone the repository or download zip folder. Just the name changes from Edushala to Edushala Master if you are downloading from zip and unzipping it. Now let's open the clone folder and install the dependencies. Then we will run the project. So it is highly recommended that you create a virtual environment by clicking Ctrl Shift P in VS Code and select Python interpreter, create virtual environment, click venv, select Python 3.11.6 and check all the dependencies to install it. It will take time, but be patient. Then follow the steps one by one by opening 6 terminals in VS Code and exactly copy pasting whatever is displayed in the GitHub repository. And if the code runs, then it will be seen like this, like it is being displayed in the video. After running each and every terminal regarding multi-level full stack application of Edushala, you can access this website in your local system. We have added different layers of backend just to make this website run smoothly. If we could have mixed it in a single code, then it would hang a lot and it will be very difficult for the user to use it. So we have added 4 to 5 backend layers and a single front-end layer, which is using all the backends. So it is necessary to run all the 5 backend to access the website, and we couldn't deploy sign language and attendance system due to technological constraints and deployment constraints. So we have only added the code in the GitHub repository, and a person can access it locally and run it locally in the local system. And we have added video display of both the systems in the deployed website, that is edushala.versa.app. So that's it about the current features of our website. Thanks for watching.